That's nice.
What's up guys, it's Rev J. If you've been following the trike build at all, you've seen me put the whole frame together, get the axle, all that kind of stuff, but you might be wondering exactly what motor I'm going to go ahead and run in this thing. Well, I brought it home and I figured I'd go ahead unbox the thing, start it up for the first time, and maybe do a couple basic mods. Now, a popular choice for drift trikes is the Predator Engine's 6.5 horsepower single, but I was walking through the aisles of Harbor Freight and saw a number that attracted my attention much faster. This is the Predator Engine's 13-ish horsepower 420cc single. Since the motor was new, I went ahead and checked the oil levels and topped it off, as well as adding fuel to the tank for the first time. Then I could go ahead and open the fuel petcock, set the choke, and set the idle speed like the manual says for first start. So pull start, not bolted to anything, on top of a skateboard, not the greatest idea. Take two. Okay, so I know this thing runs, but like with any motor, it's going to get a couple modifications before it gets mounted into anything. I went ahead and pulled off the stock airbox so I could take a look at the carburetor and everything underneath. And I went ahead and pulled off this heat shield covering the muffler just so I could see how it mounts up and if it really does anything. I had this carb stack laying around from one of our old Austin Healey race cars, and I decided it would make a pretty cool inlet on the carburetor here on the trike. It did need a spacer to mount up to the carb, but all the holes lined up, and with some extended hardware I could bolt it onto place. Alright guys, so that is the Predator 420cc, unboxing mine and just a first startup there, getting it kind of broken in a little bit, playing around with it, and doing that little carb stack mod thing. Let me know what you think this thing is going to be like in that trike. Is it going to be a good idea, a bad idea, completely unmanageable? Let me know what you think. I'll have my social media on screen. If you do follow me, thank you. You guys have probably seen some of the quick updates on the trike more recently. There's a lot more coming on those, a lot more on the truck. Definitely got some stuff coming out on that soon, as well as all the other projects here on the channel. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.